You raped my mama, but you couldn't penetrate our soul. Slave my father, but the spirit you couldn't hold. You beat my brother, but his will you couldn't control. You took my sister, but her womb you couldn't mold. We like the sun, you can't stop us from shining, no. We like the rain, without us your gardens can't grow. My laughter will inspire the birds to dance through the heavens, weaving poetic words, stimulating their minds to remember themselves that been one with the Creator, helping them to understand that they were the energy that flowed through her magical finger as she painted galactic portraits on the dark canvas of this universe, letting them know that Jesus wasn't the only immaculate birth, because they too were pulled from her womb, along with the planets, the stars, the suns, and the moon, teaching them how to use the divine light within them to shine upon creation, so they will be able to see through the darkness of this devilish illusion, reminding them how to always read between the lines, because even the Holy Scriptures have been used as psychological tools to keep minds entwined, showing them the difference between true reality and some old demonic thug evil fantasy, because real thugs don't kill mockingbirds, they trap them in cages and clip their wings. Just ask Maya, she knows why that voodoo cage bird D'Angelo sings. My laughter, my laughter, my laughter will inspire the birds. You raped my mama, but you couldn't penetrate our soul. You slaved my father, but in spirit you couldn't hold. You beat my brother, but his will you couldn't control. You took my sister, but her womb you couldn't mold. We like the sun, you can't stop us from shining, no. We like the rain, without us your gardens can't grow. We like the stars, check them next time they glow. Ja Rastafari.